This is Letchworth State Park, New York. Even though the weather hasn't cooperated much with us on our visit here, it is still an awesome park. No wonder this was voted America's best state park. Absolutely beautiful. This is the Upper Falls. There are 3 different waterfalls here, and they're all beautiful. Lydia, this is for you. I'd say that's a good 250, 300 feet straight down. Woo! Things just got tight in the back. This is the Middle Falls. Wow. Looking down. That is sphincter tightening, I'm telling you. I don't know why they call New York the Empire State. It needs to be called the Waterfalls State. You can feel the mist coming off of those falls. These are the Middle Falls. Absolutely wonderful the way New York has this park set up. Most people think of New York, they think of New York City, the hustle and the bustle and the crowds and the traffic. Let me tell you, New York is a beautiful state. It has a lot more to offer than the large cities. This is one of the prettiest state parks I have ever seen.